In this video, we are going to learn about carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is an important gas. It occurs in nature in free state as well as in the combined state. It is a constituent of air, that is 0.03%. It occurs in rock as calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Now, preparation. On industrial scale, it is produced by burning carbon monoxide with oxygen in excess of air, forming carbon dioxide and balancing. So here large amount of heat evolved, 394 kilojoule per mole. Second one, calcination of lime, that is calcium carbonate lime, produces calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas is released. Third one, laboratory preparation. Calcium carbonate treated with HCl, dilute hydrochloric acid, not concentrated, dilute, forming calcium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide gas is released. Properties: it is a colorless gas, non-flammable gas, heavier than air, critical temperature is 31 degree and it can be readily liquefied. It can be brought to a liquid. 31 degree Celsius. It can be readily liquefied. Carbon dioxide is a very stable compound. Even at 3100 Kelvin, only 76% decomposes to produce carbon monoxide and oxygen. Carbon dioxide at 3100 Kelvin forms carbon monoxide and oxygen. This 2 cancel means O, so CO2. It can be once more brought back at still higher temperatures. High temperature decomposes to carbon and oxygen. Decomposition. We can say this reaction is decomposition reaction. Next, reducing behavior at elevated temperature, that is high temperature. Carbon dioxide acts as a strong reducing agent treated with magnesium, forming magnesium oxide, carbon dioxide reduced to carbon. Next, carbon dioxide when treated with hydrogen, it forms carbon monoxide and water, and this is called water gas. Water gas, it has many industrial applications and it is called as water gas equilibrium. It is called as water gas equilibrium. It is called as water gas equilibrium. CO plus H2O called as water gas. Next, acidic behavior. Aqueous solution of carbon dioxide, that is carbon dioxide with water. It forms carbonic acid, H2CO3. This also breaks to form H plus plus HCO3 minus. This also can be brought back. So, acidic behavior. It has more acidic behavior. Water gas equilibrium is very important. Acidic behavior also. And decomposition reaction. Preparation, everything given in the book, page number 45. Some uses of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is used to produce an inert atmosphere for chemical processing. For chemical processing. Number 2, biologically it is important for photosynthesis. It is important for photosynthesis. It is also used as fire extinguisher. As a producer gas, as a propellant gas. It is used in production of carbonated beverages, that already you know. Many drinks you are drinking carbonated beverages, and in the production of foam. So many uses given clearly in book page number 45.